Once you are on Powtoon Create, you select Start from Scratch by clicking on Edit. You will have to wait for the application to load. It will take some time. After it has loaded, this is what you will get. Now you need to create as many slides as lines the conversation you want to record has. So let's imagine our conversation has 3 lines. We are going to create more slides by clicking on this plus button here. So I'm going to create 1, 2, and 3 slides for my 3-line conversation. Now I'm going to make sure that the function is in customize mode by clicking here. I will start editing my slides now. I will select slide 1 and click on background to choose an appropriate background for my story. In this case, I'm going to select this one. Now I will go to the library to choose my characters. There are several styles, but in this case, I'm going to select this man and this woman. You can drag and drop your characters within the slide, as you can see. You can click here to change the direction they are facing, and here to change the action your characters are performing. Now, by going to the timeline, I'm going to make sure that my characters appear at the right moment. I want the man to appear at the very beginning of my story, so I'm going to set it to second number 0. And I would like my woman to appear in second 1. So that's it. Now I'm ready to record my characters' voices. In order to do that, I'm going to click on Sound. And I will make sure that this function has been selected, because we are going to add voices to our characters slide by slide. Once we have selected this function, we click on Record. If we scroll down, we will see that we have the Start Recording button here. Before recording, you need to select which character is going to speak. In this case, I want the man to speak first, so I select him and then I click on Start Recording. The application will ask us for permission to use the microphone in our computer. So we click on Allow and then we click on Close. So I will show you again. You select a character, you click on Start Recording, you wait for the countdown, and you start talking into your microphone. Once you have finished the recording, you click on Stop Recording. If you're not satisfied, you click on Cancel. If you are satisfied, you click on Save. Now your voice has been recorded. By clicking here, you can play the whole slide to check that you like what you have produced. Once you're ready, you can always make the timeline longer or shorter to fit the voice you have recorded. For example, I'm going to play my slide. My voice has been recorded and I stopped the recording at second number 8.5. So what am I going to do? I'm going to go to my slide and make the timeline a little bit shorter. I'm going to shorten it to second number 9 because my recording finished at second number 8.5. Okay? Now I will move on to my second slide. Add the background by clicking here, add the characters, and finally the sound. Once we are finished, we click on Save to save our project. and then on Export here. From this menu, we are going to click on Publish to My Powtoons. We wait for a few seconds. We choose a title for our story. In this case, I'm going to write Trial. We don't need to complete this, but we do need to select a category. In this case, I'm going to choose Personal, Social and Fun. We leave it as a public Powtoon and we click on Next. Here we'll leave it as a standard format cartoon and we click on Export Powtoon. We wait again and we will get our trial. In this case, we wait for it to load, and meanwhile we can select the link and copy it in order to paste it wherever we want to paste it so that we can share it with our friends. That's all.